Welcome to this step-by-step guide on performing a navigation sequence-only scan using the ZeroThreat Chrome extension. In certain scenarios, you may want to scan only specific sections or functionalities of a web application without scanning the entire site. The navigation sequence-only scan is perfect for this, allowing you to scan on the areas you choose. To begin, you'll need the ZeroThreat Chrome extension installed. Once that's set up, head to the ZeroThreat dashboard and select the target web application you'd like to scan. Next, navigate to the Scan Method section, and under Authenticated Scan, click the Start Authenticated Scan button. This will open your target web application in a new tab, alongside the ZeroThreat Recorder extension. You can minimize the recorder window if you'd like, but ensure it remains open throughout the process. Now, click the Stored Sequence Authentication button. You'll see two options, Full Scan or Scan Recorded Pages and Actions. A full scan covers the entire web application, while a navigation sequence-only scan focuses solely on the pages you visit during recording. For this tutorial, let's select the Navigation Sequence-Only Scan option. After clicking the Start Recording button, the recording will begin. The ZeroThreat Recorder will capture all your actions as you interact with the application. Start by logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate through the specific sections or functionalities you want to scan. In our example, let's scan the student list functionality only. The recorder will track these interactions and limit the scan to only the visited pages. It won't crawl or test anything beyond what you navigate. When you're done, click Stop Recording, and you'll see an overview of your recorded sequence. Next, give your recording a template name. Then, specify how the application renders content. Does it use server-side rendering, like WordPress, Shopify, or ASP.NET MVC, or client-side rendering, like Angular, React, or Vue? After that, you can exclude certain hosts from being scanned. This is helpful for skipping hosts with sensitive data or third-party integrations you don't want to include. Finally, you'll have two choices. Click Save and Exit to store the recording sequence for later use, or click Save and Start Scan to launch the authenticated scan immediately using your selected scan server. You can monitor the scan's progress and view the results in the Scans section of the ZeroThreat portal. That's it. You've now learned how to set up and perform a navigation-only scan in ZeroThreat.